So we start by making just a simple tea. So you take about a cup of rinsed off spruce tips. I kind of have a mix of spruce, there's a little bit of eastern pine, and then you add a half a cup of mixed flowers. So I have some marigold, I have some red clover, I have a little bit of Dame's Rocket, and then you just have enough water to cover it. And then let it steep to make tea. Stirring it up every once in a while just to make sure everything is underwater. So after your tea is done, strain it out. You've basically made a really, really strong tea. So after straining, return it to the pot. You should have about a cup of tea. And then, don't spill on your burner. And then to your tea, add a half a cup of pure, delicious maple syrup. I will scrape that out off camera since I can't do it with one hand. And then we're going to let it boil to hard crack candy stage. Stay tuned. To crystallize around the edges, you can drip water down, but don't stir it. Just let it go and do its thing. Alright guys, 8 years later, and this is what it looks like. Really thick and delicious. I'm adding to it 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of pineapple. Watch out, it's going to foam up. Stir it up. And then I like to drop it onto some powdered sugar silicone pads. I don't have a mold. Maybe I should buy one, maybe I shouldn't. Just drop it into little bite size. Go a little bit fast because it's going to set up. That is definitely not bite size. Mold would be better. It's free forming it here. You could put your powdered sugar into like little wells and it'll help them hold their shape. I don't mind odd shaped candies. You can also just break them. So just repeat until you use it all. Top secret trick here, if you get extra candy that's burnt into the bottom of your pot that you can't get out, just add some hot water and bring it to like a little light boil and it will melt it right off. And clean pot, no scraping required. And there you have it. I coat both sides in a little bit of powdered sugar just so they don't get sticky. But look at this. Hard little candies. You can pop them in tea or you can suck on them. Full dose of vitamin C right there in those bad boys. So good for you when you're sick. And there you have it. I coat both sides in a little bit of powdered sugar just so they don't get sticky. But look at this. Hard little candies. You can pop them in tea or you can suck on them. Full dose of vitamin C right there in those bad boys. So good for you when you're sick.